The course that changed everything. Baz Roberts was a whiz with spreadsheets, or so he thought. He could make lists, add up columns, and even create a simple chart. "I know Excel pretty well," he'd say with a confident smile, navigating his neat rows and columns at the office. But one day, a little voice whispered, "Is there more?" In his free time, he saw a Udemy course on Excel functions, and a spark of curiosity lit up. Why not, he thought, and clicked enroll. He was about to unlock a new world. Suddenly, Baz was a magician. He used powerful functions to automate data collection, saving his department hours of tedious work. He became the go-to person for spreadsheet sorcery, sharing data effortlessly. His quest for efficiency led him to something called G Suite. The idea of working in the cloud was revolutionary. He championed its implementation in his department, eager to explore its possibilities. He transferred his Excel knowledge to Google Sheets and found it had superpowers. With a function called import range, he could connect different sheets, and best of all, multiple people could work on the same document at the same time. Collaboration had never been so easy. Then he discovered the secret code behind the apps, Google Apps script. It was like finding a key to a hidden door. He spent his evenings and weekends learning to write scripts that automated entire processes, streamlining everything his department did. To deepen his own understanding and share his knowledge, Baz started a blog in his spare time. Teaching others forced him to master the tools completely. This journey of sharing led him to write and publish a whole series of books on the Google Workspace apps. Next, he turned to video. He launched a YouTube channel to create tutorials and found he loved the process of making videos, breaking down complex topics into easy-to-understand steps for everyone. It felt like coming full circle. He designed his courses so anyone could learn quickly, breaking down big ideas into small, easy steps. He created his very own Udemy courses, Google Sheets, From Novice to Ninja, and Google Sheets Functions, Be the Hero in the Office. Now, he hopes his courses sell like hotcakes. It's amazing to think it all started with one little Udemy course. Little did he know that a single click would change his life and career so completely.